So in this particular session, we are still discussing about radicalization. So as we have already learned that radicalization is a process of converting a surd into a rational expression, right? So what we've been given is that we've been given as examples. So how do we convert this particular expression into a more rational form, right? So in this case, your under root 2 is your surd, right? This is a mixed surd, right? You can say that. And then what we do is we basically use a rationalizing factor, right? So in this case, what we do is let's use a rationalizing factor. So 5, 3 under root 2. So your 2 is your under root 2 is your surd, right? So let's just multiply it with that, okay? Let's see what we get. Under root 2, right? So when you're multiplying these things, you'll be getting 5 under root 2 and then 3 under root 2 square, right? So that means this 2 and this can be cancelled out. So we will be getting 5 under root 2 and then 3 into 2. This will give us 5 under root 2 and then 6, okay? So that will be your answer, okay? So all you need to do is just multiply by your rationalizing factor, which is basically a surd as well, okay? So similarly in this case, so what we need to do is we need to convert this into, we need to radicalize it, you can just say that, or we need to convert it into a rational form, right? So what do we do? 3 minus under root 2, 3 plus under root 2, and then just use a rationalizing factor. Normally in these cases what we do is, suppose there is a plus over here, we use the opposite sign, okay, or we use the numerator, okay. Under root 2, 3 minus under root 2. So when we multiply this, how much shall we get? So this will be 3 minus under root 2 whole square. Again, just use that formula. I can write it in that expression as well, right? So in this case, I can write it in the form of a square plus b square, right? Minus under root 2 whole square, right? So what's our formula for a plus b whole square? It's a square minus 2ab. So 2 is that, a is that, b is that, right? Plus under root 2b square, right? And then what about this? What will be our formula? You can basically say, or what you could do is that you could just open it as well. It does not really matter, okay? 9 minus 2, okay? This 2 and this can be cancelled out, right? And then after that, let's just open this one as well. So 9 minus 6 under root 2 plus 2, or 9 minus 2, right? That will be 7. In this case, 11 minus 6 under root 2 divided by 7. So that will be your answer, okay? So all you have to do is just remember this process. So what is radicalization? It's just a process of converting a surd into a rational form. That's what we are doing over here, okay? And then after that, you can solve it using your own way, whatever you feel like doing, okay? So just try to make it into a more rational form. Okay, so this is how we solve this kind of problem. If you have any doubts regarding this particular question or anything regarding radical or surd, please do comment down below. I'll definitely be happy to answer it for you. Until next time, bye bye.